DJI is gearing up for an exciting 2025, and drone enthusiasts have a lot to look forward to. From the much-anticipated Mavic 4 series and the potential Air 4 to the compact yet powerful Mini 5 Pro and the beginner-friendly Avata 3, DJI is once again redefining what consumer drones can achieve. Let's dive into what we know so far and explore how these upcoming releases could shape the future of aerial photography and videography. This is going to be epic! Alright, let's get straight to the big news. Jasper Ellens, one of the most trusted DJI insiders, just dropped an image that seems to show Mavic 4 Pro units undergoing final quality checks. They're sitting on a workbench being inspected, probably before they get sent out to promoters. Now, when Ellens says promoters, that could mean reviewers, drone pilots, or media outlets who will get their hands on it first. If that's the case, then we are really close to an official announcement. Oh, and let's not forget, the Mavic 4 Pro was already spotted in the FCC database back in December. Usually, once a product gets FCC approval, it means a release is right around the corner. Most of us expected a launch in January, but here we are, still waiting. So, what's causing the delay? If you remember the Mavic 3 launch disaster, you know DJI doesn't want to repeat that mistake. The Mavic 3 was supposed to be a game changer, but when it launched, some of its most hyped features weren't even ready. That led to a lot of backlash, and DJI had to roll out software updates months later just to deliver what was promised. This time around, they're probably making sure that when the Mavic 4 Pro drops, it's feature complete and polished. No half-baked software, no missing features, just a solid drone out of the box. Now let's talk about what really matters, the specs. According to leaked info, the Mavic 4 Pro is bringing some serious upgrades. First, the battery. This thing is packing a 95 watt-hour battery, which is the biggest battery ever in a consumer DJI drone. That translates to an insane 52-minute flight time. That's a massive jump from the Mavic 3 Pro's 43 minutes. The camera system is also getting a big boost. The Mavic 4 Pro will feature a triple camera setup, similar to the Mavic 3 Pro but with significant improvements. The wide lens is rumored to be a 24mm f2.0. The medium telephoto will likely be a 50mm f2.0 with 2.5x zoom. And the telephoto lens is expected to be a 145mm with 6x zoom. The biggest rumor? A Hatvanizer main camera. If this turns out to be true, that's going to be a huge step up for filmmakers. We still don't have confirmed sensor sizes, but it's safe to assume that DJI is going to keep the Pro and Cine versions, just like they did with the Mavic 3. That means the Cine model will probably support Apple ProRes and come with a massive internal storage option, maybe even 2 terabytes. And here's something interesting. Vertical shooting mode is making a comeback. Now the question is whether it'll be cropped like the Air 3 or if we're getting a fully rotating camera like the Mini 4 Pro. Either way, DJI clearly caters to content creators who need vertical video for social media. So, the leaked images also reveal something pretty cool. The Mavic 4 Pro is getting a brand new design. Instead of the traditional Mavic shape, it's now taking a more aggressive stance, kinda like the Mini 4 Pro. The back of the drone sits lower than the front, which improves aerodynamics and helps boost battery life. But there's another reason for this change: cooling. The rear rotors are actually positioned in a way that helps push air into the drone's vents, keeping it from overheating during high-performance flights. This makes a lot of sense, especially considering that leaked testing footage shows the Mavic 4 Pro being flown at night with what appears to be a new cooling system featuring a dedicated fan. If this drone is truly pushing 6K video, it's going to need all the cooling it can get. Another big upgrade coming with the Mavic 4 Pro is DJI's OcuSync 4 Plus transmission system. Right now, the Air 3 can fly 32 kilometers under FCC regulations, and with O4 Plus, we're expecting an even longer range and better live feed quality. The leaks also suggest that the DJI RC2 will be the included controller. If you don't know, that's DJI's latest controller with a built-in 5.5-inch 700 nit display. It's already great with the Air 3, so it makes total sense to pair it with the Mavic 4 Pro. Alright, let's talk about the two biggest questions. When is it coming, and how much is it gonna cost? The latest leaks suggest that DJI is targeting an April 2025 release date. That lines up with their usual spring product launches, so it's looking pretty likely. As for pricing, well, brace yourself. The rumors are saying the base model Mavic 4 Pro will start at around $2,800, while the Cine version could cost anywhere from $4,000 to $5,000. That's a huge jump from the Mavic 3 Pro's launch price of $2,199. But considering all the new features, upgraded camera system, and extended flight time, it might just be worth it, especially for professionals. One of the biggest leaks so far comes from renowned drone insider Jasper Ellens, who shared an image of what appears to be a crashed prototype of the DJI Air 4. This leak gives us our first real glimpse into what DJI might have in store. From the image, the top cover design bears some resemblance to previous models, but there are some notable changes. The prototype showcases two distinct sensors and an LED beacon, aligning with rumors about the upcoming DJI Mavic 4. This could indicate a shift toward a more unified sensor system across DJI's drone lineup. What's particularly interesting is the presence of what looks like an upgraded LiDAR sensor array on the front. If true, this could significantly enhance obstacle detection and improve low-light performance, making nighttime flights safer and more reliable. One of the standout changes in the leaked prototype is a set of sturdier, more reinforced arms compared to the Air 3. This could mean improved stability and durability, though, as Jasper noted, the final design could still evolve. Another noticeable shift is the apparent removal of wide-angle sensors on the front corners. Instead of relying on multiple wide-angle cameras for obstacle detection, DJI may be transitioning to a LiDAR-based system. If so, this could offer more precise object detection, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. However, how well this performs in real-world scenarios remains to be seen. Jasper Ellens isn't the only one dropping hints about DJI's next drone. Another well-known source, Quadro News, recently shared a cryptic image of a drone stacked on top of what appears to be the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. While there's no official confirmation, speculation is swirling that the mystery drone could be the DJI Air 4 or possibly even the Mini 5. The timing of these leaks is intriguing. If DJI is already testing new models, we might be closer to an official release than expected. While leaks don't paint the full picture, several rumored specs suggest the Air 4 could see significant upgrades. Reports indicate that it may feature dual 1-inch cameras, a major improvement over the Air 3, which would enhance low-light performance and overall image quality. If the rumors about a variable aperture hold true, this would allow for greater control over exposure and more cinematic shots. 4K recording at high frame rates seems like a given, potentially with enhanced dynamic range and richer color depth. Additionally, some sources suggest DJI might introduce a mechanical shutter to reduce motion distortion, an exciting possibility for professionals. On the safety front, the Air 4 is rumored to feature full 360-degree obstacle detection powered by LiDAR technology, making it one of the most advanced collision avoidance systems in the Air series. Battery life could also see a boost, with some reports suggesting an extended flight time of up to 50 minutes, surpassing the Air 3's already impressive 46-minute endurance. Meanwhile, DJI's continued advancements in OcuSync transmission technology hint at stronger connectivity and improved tracking performance. So when can we expect the DJI Air 4 to hit the market? Based on leaks, a late 2025 release seems the most likely timeline. DJI typically refreshes the Air series every 2 years, so this would align with their usual strategy. As for pricing, the Air 3 launched at $1,099, and while the Air 4 may remain in that range, an increase wouldn't be surprising if DJI packs in premium features. One of the most striking upgrades in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its potential 1-inch camera sensor, which would be a significant enhancement over the Mini 4 Pro's 1x1.3-inch sensor. A larger sensor generally translates to improved image quality, better low-light performance, and greater dynamic range, making this an appealing feature for photographers and videographers alike. The drone also boasts a redesigned gimbal, which now supports vertical shooting modes tailored specifically for social media content creators. This allows users to capture portrait-oriented footage directly, eliminating the need for cropping or post-production adjustments. Moreover, the camera system appears to have the capability to tilt straight upward, a first for the mini-series, opening up new creative possibilities for aerial photography. This feature would be particularly beneficial for filming tall structures, capturing unique perspective shots, and enhancing storytelling potential. According to the leaked specifications, the DJI Mini 5 Pro offers impressive flight capabilities, with a remarkable 25-kilometer range and an extended flight time of up to 50 minutes on a single charge. This marks a notable improvement over its predecessor, allowing for longer, uninterrupted flights and reducing the need for frequent battery swaps. A standout addition to the Mini 5 Pro is the inclusion of advanced LiDAR obstacle avoidance technology. The drone features dual front-facing wide-angle sensors, as well as 2 additional inward-facing black sensors, which likely contribute to enhanced obstacle detection and navigation accuracy. LiDAR technology significantly improves the drone's ability to detect and avoid objects in various lighting conditions, making flights safer and more autonomous. Additionally, DJI has incorporated built-in audio recording, a feature that could be particularly useful for vloggers and content creators who wish to add narration or ambient sound directly to their footage. While external audio recording is typically preferred for professional-grade videos, this built-in feature may offer added convenience in specific scenarios. The DJI Mini 5 Pro introduces several refined design elements aimed at improving flight stability and landing precision. It is equipped with precision landing sensors and an LED ground illumination system, which enhances low-light landings and overall nighttime flight safety. While the drone retains the signature compact form factor of the Mini series, it now features 2 small legs on the main body and additional legs on the front arms. This design closely resembles the Mini 4 Pro, but incorporates notable refinements that contribute to better stability and protection. One of the most exciting aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its focus on AI-powered tracking. Leveraging advanced sensors and enhanced camera mobility, the drone is expected to offer greater autonomy and creative versatility. DJI appears to be positioning this model as an ideal tool for content creators, travelers, and professionals who need reliable, high-quality aerial footage with minimal manual control. The AI-powered tracking system is likely to improve subject recognition, intelligent flight modes, and automated cinematography, making it easier than ever to capture stunning aerial shots. Despite its cutting-edge advancements, DJI has managed to keep the Mini 5 Pro under the crucial 250-gram weight limit. This is a significant engineering feat, as it allows the drone to bypass strict regulations in many regions, including the United States. Drones weighing under 250 grams generally do not require registration with aviation authorities in several countries, making the Mini 5 Pro an attractive option for both hobbyists and professionals who prefer a hassle-free flying experience. While official pricing has yet to be confirmed, industry analysts speculate that the Mini 5 Pro will be priced higher than its predecessor, given its substantial hardware and software upgrades. This anticipated price increase is expected to be justified by the drone's premium features, including its 1-inch sensor, vertical shooting functionality, advanced AI-driven tracking, and improved flight performance. One of the biggest concerns with the Avata has been its instability during flight. To make the upcoming Avata 3 a smoother and more reliable flyer, DJI must work on improving its aerodynamics. A potential redesign could enhance stability while also reducing noise levels, making it a better choice for both casual and professional FPV pilots. The Avata 2 features a 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K at 60 FPS. For the next generation, we expect a major leap in imaging performance with the inclusion of a larger 1-inch sensor. A bigger sensor means better dynamic range, allowing the Avata 3 to capture more details in highlights and shadows. Some may wonder if such a compact drone truly needs a larger sensor, but to compete in the FPV space, DJI has to offer the absolute best. The Osmo Pocket 3, for example, features a 1-inch sensor in a compact form, dramatically improving low-light performance. A similar upgrade on the Avata 3 would be a game-changer for cinematographers. FPV drones are primarily used by experienced pilots who can navigate through tight spaces with precision. The Avata 2 includes only upward and downward obstacle sensing, which is sufficient for its intended use. However, to make it more beginner-friendly, DJI should introduce improved obstacle avoidance sensors, allowing users to switch between modes and fly with greater confidence, minimizing the risk of crashes. Another significant upgrade could be an enhanced transmission system for improved range and control. According to rumors, the Avata 3 might come equipped with O3 Plus Sync 4 Plus, enabling live video transmission up to 20 kilometers away. While you're unlikely to fly an FPV drone that far, having extended range ensures a stable connection even in more challenging environments. The Avata's compact size is one of its biggest advantages, allowing it to fly through tight spaces with ease. However, this also limits how much battery capacity DJI can add without increasing its size. The Avata 2 offers a flight time of up to 23 minutes, and for the Avata 3, we expect a slight improvement, potentially reaching around 28 minutes. While not a massive jump, this extra flight time could make a significant difference when capturing critical shots. So when can you expect the Avata 3 to arrive? If you're an FPV enthusiast, the wait won't be too long. Based on DJI's previous release patterns, the Avata 3 is expected to launch in April this year. While an exact date hasn't been confirmed, it's likely to be unveiled in the second week of the month. And that's the scoop on DJI's upcoming drones. Which model are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.